Alright guys, and welcome back to today's video. So in today's video guys, I'll be showing you guys the first step that you need to take in order for you to be able to do the KYC for your AZ coiner. So it has been a while that we have been mining this coin right here or farming it, and of course a lot of people are missing out big time. So if you look over here right now, you can see that I have about 331 referrals right here, and of course it is just 41 people that are active. You can just imagine what people are really missing out on, and this is going to be one of the best airdrop that you are ever going to be participating on. And right here guys, they initiated their KYC today, and on this video I'll be showing you guys the first step. All right, so the video is not going to be complete because it actually takes time, a little time. So I'm going to be showing you what you need to do right now in order for you to be on the best position of doing the KYC. So remember, KYC is very, very important, because if you don't do the KYC, then you are not going to be qualifying to receive the airdrop, obviously. And right guys, on this video, let's get started right now. I come over here right now. First of all, if you want to be getting started with this airdrop, simply go to your Play Store or Apple Store, whichever one you want. You go ahead and search for AZ Coiner. Download the mobile app, and when you install it, then you open it up and then create your own account. That is simply how you get started with this AZ Coiner airdrop. So right now, let's get started. All right, now over here guys, you can see this is the official Twitter account. Over here, this is where they actually made the post about 12 hours ago. Right here, this is the post about 12 hours ago, and they listed the important step that you need to take in order for you to actually qualify for this KYC. All right, so right now watch closely. All right guys, so over here, this is where they actually highlighted the important step that you need to take in order for you to actually qualify for this KYC. So you only need to do two things right here. Access the menu. When you go to the menu, then you click on the top left hand side, then you go ahead and click on KYC. So over here you can see they say complete the first KYC requirements and wait for approval to proceed to the next step. All right, so right now this is the important part. They say if you haven't received the KYC invitation yet, this simply means that you need to receive an invitation through your email before you can then go ahead and proceed with that KYC. So over here they say don't worry, the next KYC round will open more opportunity for you. The more active you are, the sooner you will receive this KYC invitation. This simply means that you cannot just go ahead and complete the KYC, and you actually need to be very active on the app in order for you to receive this KYC invitation. And before you can be able to receive this KYC invitation, let me show you what you need to do right now. So what you need to do is very simple. Just come over here into your app. You go ahead and of course click right here at the top right here. Once you click on it, then you will see that this is where you see a lot of menu, and over here you can see we have utility right here and we have KYC right here. First of all, you go ahead and click on KYC. This is going to be checking your account. You can see thanks for your interest in applying for KYC. You will receive invitation when one becomes available. This simply means that they are going to send you that invitation to your email box. All right, so right now when they get to your email box, then you can go ahead and complete the KYC. See, so simple like that. So when you click over here to utility, you can see we have KYC here as well. When you click on KYC, you will see that you will receive invitation when one becomes available. So this simply means that you simply need to come right here and you need to be active as much as you can, and also come over here, click on these two buttons, which is this KYC and utility. Once you click on the two of them, then they are now gonna be sending you the KYC link. When they send you the KYC link, then you can then proceed and apply for the KYC. All right, so this is simply how it is guys, and do not forget that this is going to be a very massive airdrop guys. So I will update you guys on the next video, showing you guys the step-by-step tutorial on how to actually complete your KYC. I will talk to you guys very, very soon.